against the world, we can battle whoever. Together ain't no way we gon' fail. You know I got your back, just like a turtle shell. Nobody do it better. All my brothers tryna get some cheddar. We all wanna cut like the shredder. Me and my bros come together for the dough. Bought the orange Lamborghini, call it Michelangelo. With the nunchuck dough, and I'm pulling up slow. When we fall up in the party, they know anything goes. Check my Rolex, it say I'm the man of the hour. All this green in my pockets, you can call it turtle power.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Des Moines Police and the Polk County Sheriff. The riot that was previously issued has grew bigger from downtown Des Moines to Jordan Creek Mall. Locations impacted include West Des Moines, Merle Hay Mall, Jordan Creek Mall, and Indian Hills. Do not approach these people, they could be armed and dangerous. To protect yourself, stay in your homes, lock your doors, close your curtains, and hide in a secure spot. Do not use your telephone or cell phone. The telephone lines and cell phones should be kept open for emergency use. This is KCCI. We will continue to serve the Des Moines metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated.
That's what the people want. They ain't born, gotta create them. Saying we gone soon as we save them. That's part of the plan. By my side, I'ma keep my brothers. Live or die, man, we need each other. So when we fight together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. When we ride together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked. So when we fight together, knock, knock, you about to get shell-shocked.
Try to tell them you don't wanna go to war with us. We beat them, young riders, raised in the gutter, really started from the bottom. Hey, we all we ever had, we all we ever needed, and we undefeated. We be going hard and make it look easy. Give me the whole pie, real cheesy. I told your girl no, but you might not believe me. She taking pictures for me, told her smile for me. Pass her off, I'm a real team player. Bandana on my face like a gangster.